Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just starting drinking my coffee, getting ready for the day, and we are gonna do some cleaning on the house. So I'm going to switch out my sheets and comforter. I like to rotate them, that way they don't get as worn down. So I have a really exciting new bed comforter and sheet set to show you guys. So stay tuned for that in today's video. Also, we're just going to clean the house. So I've got to clean my microwave. I've got a couple things. I've made a running list in my notes in my phone. So we're gonna get it all done. But right now, Brooks is working on some school stuff. I'm gonna look up some learning ideas from ABCD Learning. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, you totally should. She has the best ideas for toddlers and kids and homeschooling in general. So definitely go check her out. If you want some really cute craft ideas, I'll be sharing them over on Instagram what I'm doing. So anyways, so I'm going to drink my coffee real quick, make a list of everything that I want to clean and get done. I have some laundry to do, so we're going to do all of the cleaning motivation today, kind of taking a break from the fall decor. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the love on my fall decorate with me videos. It has been so fun. I don't think I've enjoyed it this much in the past, but I have just loved it. I've loved filming it, I've loved creating it, and I'm really glad you guys like it too. So thank you so much. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the day. So I just took all of the bedding off of the bed, threw it in the wash. That way I can get things rolling. I've got some laundry that I've got to fold, so I figured I would go ahead and start with the bed first. I try to wash my bedding about every other week, and I've recently discovered duvet covers. I know that they've been around forever, and I used to have some, but then I got away from them, and I tell you what, it is so much easier to wash a duvet cover than it is an entire comforter, which is what I've been doing for the last couple of years. So washing just the duvet and keeping the insert out all the time is so much easier. So that's what I've been doing, but I recently got a new sheet set and comforter and pillow shams from Brooklinen. And if you guys have never heard about Brooklinen before, they are a New York based company. They have over 35,000 five-star reviews on their sheets, bedding, towels. They have all kinds of luxury linen products at a affordable price. So I know you guys are going to love Brooklinen as well. If you want to try out any of their products for yourself, I do have a $20 off $100 coupon. I always try to get coupon codes for you guys whenever I'm showing products or trying out products that I love as well. So take advantage of that. I'll have a link in the description box, but I want to show you guys these sheets because they are so nice. So they come to your door in a package just like this, which I thought was very nice. It's not bulky at all. And whenever you open the package up, it has everything you need in the box. They also sent a cute little canvas bag. I love that. I've been getting my groceries and putting them in these style of totes, so that is awesome. And then we're gonna get the bedding out and throw it in the wash. That way, by the time I'm done cleaning, I can put the sheets back on the bed. So here are the pillowcases. I got the luxe version and they are buttery soft. Holy cow. Super soft. Love that. Oh, this feels good. So these are two king-sized shams. And I just got the white color because whenever I'm investing in pieces that are top quality products, I don't want to have to buy them all the time. It's neutral, it goes with everything, goes with all of the seasons, and then I can throw in some different blankets and stuff to accent for the season. So anyways, I went with all white everything, but they have over 20 different patterns to choose from, and the website was so easy to navigate. So I'll show you guys kind of the experience of picking everything out. It was so fun to look through all the patterns and see which one I wanted to choose, but it was really hard to pick just one. I almost went with the black and white striped one. I thought that was so pretty, but I ended up ultimately just going with the white. And then I have the core sheet set. This comes with one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and two pillowcases. So that is perfect. So all of these are, again, in the plain white, but man, these feel so good. So I am so excited to get these in the wash. That way I can get them on the bed. All right, and last but not least, we have the duvet cover. So this one is very large. It has the buttons to insert the duvet in there. So I'm gonna take all of these to the laundry room and get them nice and clean. So if you guys get the hardcore bundle, that comes with everything that I just showed, and you save 25% off of that one. So it's definitely worth it to bundle your items instead of purchasing individually. And you can mix and match your colors within the bundle, so that makes it a great option as well. I cannot wait to sleep on these sheets. I know it's going to be so good. So anyways, I just threw those into the wash, and now let's go ahead and start cleaning the rest of the house. Alright, we're starting out in the bathroom, and I like to go ahead and sweep the floors before I get them wet. So I'm just going to run my Shark vacuum over them on the hard surface setting.
And you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, you've cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just...
Now I'm going to clean out my tub and shower. I like to use the Method bathroom cleaner for this. Sometimes I use the foaming one, sometimes I use the antibacterial one. It just depends on what I have on hand. And then for the bottom of the tub and the shower, I like to use Bonami. It works really good. It's kind of like a scrub once you get it wet, and I just use a tough scrub brush and get it all nice and clean.
Close your eyes and we'll be free. Keep my head high while we're crossing the land. With all the miles we laid down, it's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. Walking down a path.
Now I'm going to clean off my mirrors with the sprayway cleaner, and I'm also taking my Swiffer duster to just dust everything off. And then I'm going to spray my countertops with that same bathroom cleaner.
Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free. Rejoice of what will come. I have made the choice of thinking bigger, 'cause you are all that I need. You are all that so I just close my eyes and dream.
Now I'm going to quickly clean the shower. I'm not deep cleaning it today, just going to do a quick little cleaning. I'm just going to put the spray down and then the Bonami powder on the bottom and call it good.
And we'll be free. Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back.
My favorite part of cleaning is steam mopping. I feel like my steam mop gets the floors so much cleaner and I love it. So I will have my steam mop link down below if you guys are interested. It's so good and worth the money. They're really not as expensive as I thought they would be. I think this one is around $70 and it does such a good job.
Back to your own life, not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
I also have some laundry to put away. I had so much laundry this day, so I'm just going to start tackling it. I'm not going to show the whole process or we would be here a really long time.
Sunsets, remember the colors, they were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind.
And if you guys are enjoying today's video, please consider hitting that like button. It would so help my channel out, and I appreciate it so much when you guys like and subscribe to my channel. It just helps me out so much. Alright, so I took a little break for lunch and now Brooks is in bed for a nap. So I'm about to tackle the second half of this cleaning. I feel like it's an all-day chore whenever I've got a lot to do. So all the bathrooms are done. Laundry, I've done 4 loads so far, so crazy. But before I put him down for a nap, we did a little apple project and it's so cute. So I thought I would show you guys that before I start dishes. I'm letting my water get warm now. Sometimes it takes forever to get the water warm, probably because I've done a lot of laundry today, but nonetheless, we're going to tackle the kitchen. Okay, here it is. We made some apples. Brooks cut up all of the pieces of paper and then glued them on. And then he used a little hole puncher and we put some jute through there and just made a little apple garland. And he was so proud of it. We got the idea from ABCD Learning. Such a good Instagram account to follow if you have little ones and you want to do some fun learning projects at home. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent soap today to do my dishes and it smells so good. This is by far my favorite fall scent by Mrs. Meyer's. And if you guys are new to Grove Collaborative, they're actually offering a deal right now where you can get a free Mrs. Meyer's set when you sign up, and you also get a beautiful rose gold caddy. It is so pretty. So if you guys are interested, I will have the link down below.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are.
Last but not least, I'm going to wipe my countertops down with the Method Daily Granite Cleaner in the Apple Orchard scent. I use this all year round, but it's especially good in the fall time with that crisp apple scent. It makes the kitchen smell so good and clean.
If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. Let's be honest for a second, yeah.
I'm also quickly going to straighten up the refrigerator and throw away anything that is old or needs to go. I like to do this about once a week or so. Usually whenever I'm doing groceries, I'll go through and clean it out, but if I stay on top of it, it seems to not get as bad. So that is what I try to do. But now we're going to finish up by vacuuming the bedrooms and the rest of the house, and then we will move into the living room.
Who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh.
Now I'm going to spray this pumpkin spice room spray from Kirkland's. It smells so good. If you guys have ever went into Kirkland's, and you know how good it smells in there, so this one smells just like their store, but a fall edition, and it is amazing.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just...
I'm using my Chom Chom on the couch to get any lint or dog hair or just anything that's on the couch off of there, and I'm also straightening up the pillows. I feel like I'm doing this constantly, but it drives me nuts whenever they aren't in order, but I probably do this at least a couple times a day.
Yeah, we were happy at the time, can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong, that picture perfect sky now it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me. Hopefully it gave you some motivation to get your house clean as well. So let me know what you were up to today. And thank you guys so much for being here. And don't forget about the Brooklinen code for $20 off of $100. It's just Kailyn Cash. I will have the link down below in the description if you guys would like to get some sheets for yourself. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.